So here's another video, not the best edited I'm afraid because I've been rather busy. So I had a trip down to see my friend George down in Salisbury, and I didn't know he had this, but I found it in his garage like you do. So this is a quarter scale Burrell traction engine, model steam engine if you like. Although it is a model, it is capable of towing 3 tons he reckons. It's a mighty powerful thing, and as you can imagine, if you scale this up to full size, you can really see the true power that we had with steam locomotives and steam traction engines. So it didn't take long before I pulled his leg and cajoled him into steaming this up. I used to be involved with miniature steam quite a bit. Never with the traction engine. Always been a bit of a boyhood dream of mine. So there we go. As you can see, it is starting to go dark. So the process of steaming this it's not a locomotive, this traction engine, from cold to in steam is about 1.5 to 2 hours. You don't want to rush it too much. You want everything to warm up. There's lots of different types of metal in there, and they all expand and contract at different rates and temperatures, so you just want to slowly warm it up. There it is there, springing into life. As you can see, the flywheel effortlessly turning over there as the engine operates. So this is a single cylinder. There we go. George has got the drain cocks open and he's heading off into the night. As I say, I always pick the best times to do this sort of tomfoolery. So in the dark, when you've got a vehicle with no headlights, is always best. And just listen to that tick over with that chuff. So this traction engine is fitted with this water lifter, which does actually work. This uses the steam pressure from the boiler to create a vacuum, and then the traction engine actually sucks up water, in this instance from this bucket, into the cold water tank. So in the day, these would have been used to take on water from ponds and rivers on the way. So here we go. There's me, myself and I in the saddle, heading back north. Now, only joking, I did the long journey in a much more practical car. Went in the Morris Minor 1000 because, yep, I am that kind of crazy. So here we go. We've got a nice fire going in there. That's the reversing lever there. So you get a cut off with steam engines, so you can have steam the full length of the piston stroke, or you can reduce it to improve steam efficiency. So there we go. Gently pull on the regulator, and away we go. As I say, doing this in the dark was ever so sensible. But we've got all product lights out. Trusting the iPhone to do the job. This thing has a top speed of about 4 or 5 miles an hour, but it's got plenty of pull. And that's just what you need on a nice winter's evening. The smell of steam coal and a nice warm fire. So with that, time to drop the fire and put it to bed. Just run it over to use up the excess steam, and time to blow down the boiler. And here's a quick demonstration of the chain steering that was used on traction engines. No rack and pinion to be found here. Anyway, something a bit different. Thought you might find it interesting. There you go.